G80 M3 oil change. Let's go. Welcome to OTM Cars and Motorcycles. Let me show you how to do an oil change on the G80 M3. You're going to want to open the oil filler cap and loosen the coolant reservoir. Before you do an oil change, your car should be somewhat warm because warm oil drains better. That also means please be careful when you're working inside the engine bay. This is where the filter housing is tucked in. It is not an ideal design from a maintenance perspective, but it's not impossible either. Have a rack ready to prevent oil from dripping inside the engine bay. I used my Quick Jack 7000 TLX, but the jack points are so far apart and need to be jacked up horizontally. There's a plastic cover that you need to twist off to access the drain bolt. Use a 17mm socket and a breaker bar to loosen the drain bolt. Be ready to catch the oil and check the color of your oil and be patient while it drains. It's important to replace the crush washer for each oil change and hand thread the drain bolt to prevent cross-threading the pan. Also change the filter cap O-ring, both of which are included in BMW or any OEM filters. The G80 has an annoying notch on the bottom of the filter, so I suggest aligning it before putting on the cap. A note on the coolant reservoir, you have to seat the bottom before putting in the bolts. If you loosen any cables for clearance, remember to clip everything back. These E6 bolts don't have torque specs, so just make sure they're snug. Finally, it's time to add your favorite engine oil. Whatever oil you choose should have the right viscosity for your driving style and purpose, and make sure it has the right BMW approval. Thanks for watching!